In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to Tilda. By the end, your site will be ready to capture events for measurement and ads optimization. Before we start, make sure you have your Pixel ID handy. You can find it in your Meta Events Manager. It's the numeric ID associated with your pixel, not the full code snippet. Begin by opening your browser and searching for tilda.cc. Click the official Tilda website in the results. Double-check the address bar so you know you're on the real site. Once the home page loads, click Log In. Sign into your account as you normally would. After you're in, open the specific project you want to track. If you have multiple sites, take a second to confirm you've selected the correct one. Analytics settings apply at the site level, so you'll want to be in the right project before proceeding. Inside your project, head to Site Settings. In the left or top navigation, look for Analytics and open it. This is where Tilda centralizes tracking tools, so you won't need to edit code on individual pages. Scroll until you see the Facebook Pixel section. There will be a field labeled for your Pixel ID. Paste your Pixel ID into that field. A quick tip: your Pixel ID is usually a string of numbers. If you see a long block of JavaScript, you're looking at the full Pixel code, which isn't needed here. Tilda just needs the ID to inject the tracking correctly across your site. After pasting the ID, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Wait for the confirmation that your settings were saved. This ensures Tilda has stored the new ID for your site. Now return to your project dashboard and click Publish All Pages in the top right. This step is important. Publishing pushes the new analytics configuration live across every page, so the pixel can start firing on actual visitors. If you only publish a single page, other pages won't carry the updated tracking until they're republished. That's it for setup. If you want to confirm things are working, give it a few minutes and then open your live site in a fresh browser tab. You can use a browser extension like the Meta Pixel Helper to check for the pixel, or look for incoming activity in your Events Manager. Keep in mind that some ad blockers can interfere with detection and events can take a little time to appear. You've successfully added the Facebook Pixel to your Tilda site. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.